Hi there, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through mental health worksheets. Mental health is super important as it affects every aspect of a person's life, including their emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Good mental health allows individuals to cope with daily life and the stresses that accompany it, as well as promoting productivity and community contributions. Poor mental health, on the other hand, can lead to many negative outcomes. These include cognitive decline, relationship problems, substance abuse, and even suicide. Bad mental health can damage physical fitness and create additional stress and anxiety that weaken the immune system. However, mental health issues are extremely common and can affect anyone regardless of age, gender, race, or socioeconomic status. As a result, it is important to seek help and support, as well as practice self-care and promote mental health awareness for a happier life, with these worksheets being a great tool to start. This worksheet includes a variety of sections, including a rating scale, grateful list, as well as questions to accompany the client to elevate their mental health. To use the templates in Carepatron, click on the Templates tab. You can filter by notes and by community to view all our collection. Type in the keyword mental health and click on the template by selecting Choose Template and then the client. You can edit the information and click Publish once happy.